Hi everyone, I am Yamuna Elsie. Now I am presented by my BMC video. First of all, what is BMC? The Business Model Canvas is a strategic management template used for developing new business models and documenting extensive ones. Offers a visual effects with the elements describing a forms of products, value, proportions, infrastructures, customers, and finance, assisting business to sign their activities by potential trade-off offers. Next, going to the video. I'm first of all I'm choose the topic is the Kellogg's company. Present Kellogg company. How did I choose it? My startup ideas on fruit and beverage companies. Where did I choose it? Recommended website in the video. Next, the Kellogg company chosen from the www.foodengineeringmac.com. Next, the Kellogg company and our histories. Company's names are Kellogg's Battle, Headquarters, Cheek, Magnum, US William Cage, founder of Kellogg company, founder of year February 19, 1996. Snack and Ego. Products are cornflakes. The URL www.kellogg'scompany.com. Next, the chronological key dates of Kellogg's. The Kellogg company doing business as Kellogg in American multinational food manufacturing company, headquarters in Battle Creek, Magnum, United States. The Kellogg products cereal and convenience foods, including crackers and toasters, pastries, and marks their products by several well-known brands, including cornflakes, Pringles, Eggo, and cheese. Kellogg's mission statement is nourishing families so they can forcing their thrive. Kellogg's products are manufactured by marketed in over 180 countries. Kellogg's largest factory at Trafford Park in Trafford, Greater Manchester, United Kingdom, which is also the location is UK headquarters. Other corporate office locations outside and the Kellogg's holds Queen Elizabeth and Prince of Wales. Next, the brand of Kellogg's is toasted cornflakes. Global brands, international brands, local brands. Says. Next, product of Kellogg's Crunchy Bites, Kellogg's Chocos, Kellogg's Cornflakes, Kellogg's Muesli Food, Kellogg's Cornflakes, and Kellogg's Chocos. The children are very eaten this Kellogg's. Next, the key partners are Kellogg's has numerous strategy industry alliances, including with the National Business and Disabilities Counseling, the Society of Women Engineering, and the National Minority Separate Development and Counseling. The company also has been partnerships with the Feeding American and US Olympics countries. Key activities are Kellogg is a manufacturing and a marker of ready to eat and convenience foods. Key resources. Kellogg's key resources are the brands and intelligence properties, its raw materials and equipment. Value proportions. The EVP come and it life through those three strategic pillars, namely be the real you make a mark and be a world of good, and will be shared with the employees across corporate, retail, and the shop floor in an engaging format. Customer relationship. Kellogg's customer relationship is very good. The management is a strategy that an alliance organization structures are very convenient. Next, channels. Distributive channeling is a powerful weapon on the MNC companies, and one of these Kellogg's company. Customer segments. Cropped in 1906 by W.K. Kellogg's Intelligent. started the business with a breakfast and created with them with just ready to eat the all people's period of time of the product beyond breakfast. Today the breakfast and all day they are and last cost center. Kellogg ensure cost in relation to development of its products and intellectual properties and procurement of supplies and service. The operations and manufacturing and warehousing faculties to maintenance of its IT and communications infrastructure and the operation of this sales. Next, last revenue streams. In 2015, Kellogg recorded a total net sales of the year in 13.53 million, down on the 14.15 million recorded by the company in 2014. The company largest generator was its US snacks segment, which recorded in 3.23 billion on the year. And this was followed by the US morning food segment with 2.99 billion and the Europe segments with 2.50 billion. None of the company other segments recorded sales of more than 2 billion. Next, the financials of Kellogg's and the link and the website is there. So okay, thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you.